Assalamu alaikum. Today I am showing how to set up any kinds of logo on 3D box. Sometimes we need to set up any kinds of logo on 3D box, but we cannot do it appropriately. So upload this video and learn how to set up any kinds of logo on 3D box. Make a PNG format of your logo and copy this layer and paste with Ctrl V. Transform this logo as much as needed. Now copy this 3D box layer and select the logo layer with Ctrl and copy this layer with Ctrl C. Now select this background layer and go to filter menu and vanishing point, and now make point where you want to set up your logo. Now paste your logo with Ctrl V. Now you can set up and transform here your logo. And copy another here. Now click OK. Thank you.